Hi everyone, Anna Brandt here. Are you in the AI Creative Collective? Come on, why not? I just added another amazing video to season 2. For those of you who started with us a year ago in the AI area, we have volume 1 and volume 2. So if we come into creative season 1, we had week 1, we had week 2, week 3, week 4. These were all in creative season 1 last year, in which we introduced everybody to the amazing journey of AI. We created wall grids, we created our own balloons, we did textures, we added wings, we added fabrics, dream catchers, texture overlays. We had 10 weeks of amazing videos and content. Then we went into season 2. Season 2 is taking it one step further and going in and working with skies and more overlays, going into different types of editing such as maternity editing, adding the power of Photoshop 2024, wreath composites, as well as holiday wreaths, dream catchers, and I just posted a new video today on working and creating different areas in your images and different changes. You know, if AI gives you a blue door and you want a pink door. So you definitely need to make sure to log in and check that out. If you are still confused with the whole AI, we also have an AI Basics course that is live right now. We're still producing content for the AI Basics course. There's getting started, upscaling your images, working with your creations, fantasy creation, emerging AI, simple wall guides, and I just added a video today on using Photoshop 2024. If you go into the areas, you can see that there's a wreath mini course that you can get just on its own. It's $25 for just learning how to do that. Or if you're brand new, you can go to AI Basics and just kind of learn and start somewhere else. If you just say, I want to jump in and do everything, that's where the membership area includes everything. It includes the AI marketing mentorship, in which we talk about ChatGPT and many other things that are still to come, as well as that. The AI Creative, which is season 1 and season 2. So we're still creating content for season 2. Season 1 has over 10 lessons, and season 2, you can see all of that it has. And again, we're still creating content for that. You get our full AI library, which has hundreds of images. We just added dream catchers in there. It's my private library with hundreds of images, as well as tips and resources. And then we will be publishing a magazine in 2024. So if you are not in our AI Creative Collective, you got to check it out. If you're still unsure, you can download the free download that has over 50 different examples, PDF, and a video overview of all the creations we've done in this past year for the AI group. I highly recommend you just jump on in. I mean, we're going in 2024 and it's only going to get better. If you want to learn in person, we do have an in-person bootcamp January 11th at my brand new studio here in Tustin, California. I look forward to featuring more of our amazing members and showing more behind the scenes and all kinds of other things, as well as working with our partner LSP Actions. Make sure you check out the AI Creative Collective. AI isn't going anywhere. It's only going to get better, and we believe in empowering photographers and creatives with AI tools and technology. I'm Anna Brandt.